In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto from eToro to Binance. Now, there are two different ways that you can do this. The first one is not necessarily sending it. It's basically just selling your crypto on eToro, withdrawing the money and then buying it from Binance. But the second option is that you can download the crypto version of eToro called eToro Money. So that is an app you can download on your phone, and that is basically eToro but only for your crypto. So it's called eToro Money. You download this app on your phone, and from in there you should be able to see your crypto. If you don't see your crypto in there, you wanna click on your crypto from the normal eToro, go into it and click on the position, and there will be a button here called transfer to wallet. Now my account is not fully verified, so I cannot transfer it, but click on transfer to wallet and it will send the crypto to eToro Money. Inside of the app eToro Money, you can press crypto, select the crypto and then press send, and then you just need to type in your Binance address. So these are the two ways that you can do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.